back to the middle schools, and today we partnered up with College First to have a science and exploration camp for our students.
I'm pretty sure they're trying to open our minds to see what different types of things you can do for colleges.
We're just basically trying out drones for the people who have never flown them. They're basically just learning a little bit how the mechanics of drones work.
I learned that they're used for different events like light shows, they're used for farms, they're even used for the military.
With technology and everything going on right now, this is definitely a way to get students connected and engaged, exciting about actually learning about the drones.
In the future, we're going to have to be doing this a lot more than we are now, because it really is educational. You see people bonding, you see people working together, teaming up, cooperating, and it's a really fun experience.